Alright, so you've seen that the last recipe is epic fail because look at that siomai, it's watery. The vegetarian one, it's okay, but with egg and flour it doesn't look good. But it's okay, that's the beauty in cooking, because we can still eat it, we can still prepare for it. But what I'm gonna do is froze it for 8 hours, and let's cook. See you in the season 2 charm. See you in the siomai epic fail episode. And another, there you go, these are the wonton wrappers that got wasted, but they're not actually wasted, so we will gonna use these wrappers in the next video, but not really next video. So just keep tuned, subscribe, and let's see what happened to these. All right, like for part 2. Char. It's not TikTok though, but yeah, see you there.
10 years later.
Alright, so we frozen this thing. Char, this thing did. We froze, okay, for more than 8 hours for sure. So we will cook our epic fail siomai. Okay, there we go. So we will cook this first, the siomai with too much liquid, and then let's cook it later, not later, somewhere. Oh, it's really freezing. So let's thaw this first. Okay, 10 more years later. Alright, so instead of waiting for too long, so we wash it with water. See, it's ready, hopefully. So we will just put it in our pot. There you go. This is the filling with too much love, char. Filling with oil. No, egg. So we will also include these epic fail, what do you call this one? Epic fail siomai wonton wrapper. So let's just cook them all. Oh, okay. Sorry for that. I think we're okay. We're cool. Yeah, it's still frozen. Okay. Anyway, it's here. Alright. Ooh, pretty, hopefully. Okay. So our way is we will put oil. So this is the salmon oil, if you remember. Yes, you just put it there. This is how I make this siomai. It's my way, so you can do the traditional or the common way to cook it, like fry and steam. But in my case, I will cook it like this. There's oil and warm water, not too many. Okay, that's it. And you will cook now. Oh yes, don't forget the lid. Don't forget. Oops. Alright, 10 years later. Cha-chang. Oh, there you go. Sorry. And let's get that one. Okay. Oops. Let's transfer. Wow! Wow, mahirap talaga pag mahawak ng camera yung isang kamay tapos nagsiserve ang isa. Oh my goodness. Okay, there you go. Oops. Puti. Oh, parang itlog siya, no? So what we will do is we will get our chili sauce. Cha-chang. And of course we will add soy sauce. Silver Swan. Back and a man. And then tasting time. Cha-chang! Alright. So So no face for this video for this time because I'm not confident. Charms. Okay, let's taste the siomai. The homemade siomai. Not bad. But dapat di siya ganun ka-liquid. Dapat solid siya. Anyway, that's a good thing in cooking. We can eat our mistakes. So, for our siomai, that has an egg. It's okay. So, let's try tofu tomorrow. Okay.
The next day.
Alright, so no face because I'm not ready, char. So this is the final batch for the epic fail siomai, and as the title itself, it's an epic fail indeed. I'm not a pro, I'm noob, I'm novice in making siomai, and it shows. But the most important thing is the taste. Okay, so let's try. This is the tofu siomai. Not bad. I mean, it tastes like tofu and it tastes like siomai, except that it's burnt a little. By the way, the process that we did is the same as the previous siomai. It's just like gyoza. We add oil and water, and then we cook it for a few minutes, and then this is the result. And again, the chili oil is homemade, the siomai is homemade, the rice is from supermarket. Alright, so if I'm gonna rate this epic fail siomai compared to the epic fail recipes that I had before, I would rate this as 5/10. It's a so-so. So I need to practice, learn more, have a technique. Yeah, but that's the best thing in cooking is we can eat our mistake and we can learn from it and we can improve ourselves. Itadakimasu. I'm hungry. Thank you for finishing the video, and if you want more videos from this channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell and everything, dang 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 dang. And if you're not yet part of the small fam that I'm trying to make, join the button. Yes, and videos, but other interesting videos over there. Thank you so much, and see you to our next video.